Let's talk about his income, right? Look at the story. The story says that he is making $300 per week. And we talked about, and I think you got most of that stuff right. I don't remember now. What do we do with $300 again? Do you remember? If he's
I
getting
think
that
we
every week,
times it by 52 and divided by 12.
we're going to do exactly that. So, in fact, I can do that right here in the spreadsheet, just so you know. So equals 300 multiplied by 52 and then divided by 12. I put an equal sign before that, it will actually do the calculation for me.
Oh,
Right?
so that's what I was supposed to do.
You can do that. You can do it on a calculator. You can do it right there inside of the
Okay.
spreadsheet. Okay,
Okay.
so we have that figure. Here's $750 worth of rent. That's per month. We're not going to do anything with that because it's already per month. So we're going to put that in. Okay.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Yep.
There's $87.50 per month, it says, for transportation, for his bus pass. I'm going to put that in as well for transportation. I'm going to round that to $88 though. When I'm doing budgets, I don't really want to have cents in it. So I'm just going to put $88 there. Oh, that's not $88. That's $8. So $88. Okay, so that takes care
Okay.
of that. Clothes, $80 a month for clothes. So we'll put that in as well. So far, so good?
Yep.
Okay. His internet is $30 bi-weekly. How do I calculate that again now?
Bi-weekly.
Yeah.
Uh, divide by 26.
Well, multiply by 26 because there are 26 bi-weeks in a month.
Oh.
So we're going to take, I'm going to put the equal sign again. I'm going to take the $30, multiply it by 26, and then divide by 12. Okay?
Wait a minute. The transportation, I got 87.90.
I know, but I'm saying I'm rounding it to 88 because when you're doing budgets, you don't really have to put it to the nearest cent. So I just
Oh.
rounded it to $88. Okay?
Oh. Okay.
All right. And the $30 bi-weekly, we just talked about that. I am multiplying it by 26 and then dividing it by 12. Okay?
Okay.
He's spending $50 per week on food. All right? So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take that. We did that before. Take the 50 and multiply it by 52 and divide it by 12. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now this figure of 216.67, I'm just going to round that to 217. The computer is working it out to 216.6 because it's not rounding it, but I want it to be nice round numbers. I'm going to put 217 there, 217.
Okay. Okay.
Right. $40 per week on his girlfriend for recreation. Okay, do the same thing.
Wait, Mr. Kamak?
Yes, sir.
For communication, what was the formula again?
Well, it's not a formula. It's that he's spending $30 bi-weekly.
So it would be 30 times 26?
Divided by 12, yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay? Now we get to the part about the $40 that he's spending for, on his to take his girlfriend out for dinner. Okay, sorry about that. Let me just turn off the mic for a second here.
Call from Lionel.
Okay, sorry. Oh dear.
Call from Lionel.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the mic for a second here.
Lionel.
Okay, you're still there with me, right? No,
yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so you're still looking at the same screen here, right?
Yes.
Oh, we still haven't got the $40 per week that he's taking his girlfriend out. So let's put that in. Put that in under maybe, I don't know, recreation or sports. Doesn't really matter. As long as we put it in there somewhere. So we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to take the 40 equals 40 and multiply it by 52 and then divide it by 12, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm getting 173. I'm going to round that to 173 again. Okay. I don't want to have any cents. I don't want to have any, dollars. I just want dollars, not cents. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So 173 is the amount there. No. The one thing we haven't covered yet is this. Oh, by the way, the gym is $240 a year. So let's put it under subscriptions. it's $240 a year, then how do I deal with that?
Subscriptions.
$240 for the whole year.
Okay. Times 12.
No, you can't do that. You're paying that once a year. And I want to make this a monthly amount. How much am I paying per month?
Um. $365.
No. Let me put it a different way to you. Your gym membership is costing you $240 for the whole year.
Okay.
So how much do you pay per month for that gym membership? For the whole year, it's costing you $240.
1 month.
Yes. How much is 1 month? What do I do with that $240 to figure out the number for 1 month?
Divide 52.
No. How many months in a year?
12 months in the year.
Correct. So what am I going to do with the 240 then?
Divide 12.
Good. So that's what I'm going to do. 240 divided by 12. So it works out about $20 per month for his gym membership. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but in the subscriptions, I mean, like in the personal care, I put $20 rather than the subscriptions.
Doesn't matter where you put it, as long as it's in the budget.
Okay.
Important thing is that it's in the budget somewhere. So I want to make sure everything is covered. Now, the thing we have not covered yet is income that he's earning on his investment. Some people put that in the savings. That's not right. He's already saved that $5,000. So what we need to look at now is the income from his investment, right? So where's
Right.
You have your calculator nearby?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Look at work out the simple interest on
Okay.
$5,000 for 1 year at 6%. Work that out for me right now, please. Remember the formula for simple interest.
Is it I equals PRT?
Correct.
Okay. 300.
Okay. No, that 300 is for what? Is that for a month or for a year?
For a year.
Correct. But I want to put this in his monthly budget. So how much is that per month?
So you would divide 12.
Correct. So how much is that?
25.
Okay. Where is a good place to put it? Is that an expense or is that income? If it's an interest, if interest that you're earning on your investment, is that income or an expense?
Income?
Absolutely. So let's put that on the other sources of income.
So that's what I didn't do.
Correct. But this is another step to do, right? Because a budget has to be balanced. This budget is not balanced. You cannot leave a difference of minus 68. That's not a balanced budget. He's spending too much money on his expenses because it's more than his income. So when you have more expenses than income, you have to find a way to make this number here 0. You either have to reduce some of the numbers over here or increase the numbers over here. I don't think you can increase his income, but he can certainly reduce his expenses. So I'm not going to finish the question for you. I'm going to delete all of these things here. I'm going to leave this inside here for you to come back and look at it again.
Okay.
And you figure out a way to reduce these things here so that this amount that you see on the difference is going to be 0. Then when you finish that, you can turn that in.
Oh, wait, what about the other expenses?
Well, there are no other expenses.
Oh.
Right? And plus, if you put other expenses in here, that's going to make the situation worse. Because remember, a budget is supposed to balance. Right? If you put more into this side, it's going to make this become a bigger negative. Look at the bottom here. He's spending $1,393 per month. He's only earning $1,325. That cannot continue. He's going to go into bankruptcy. He's going to go into debt. So you're trying to help him to fix that by saying, look, Julian, you got to reduce some of the numbers over here. Right? And that's your job. You need to do that.
But for some reason, I put 173.33 in other expenses.
If you want to put it in other expenses, that's fine. It doesn't matter where you put it on this side as long as you put it in. That's the important thing. Every expense has to be in his budget. Right? Whether you classify it as subscription or on, doesn't matter. The important thing is that you've accounted for every single thing he's spending on and every single thing he's earning. So we now have all his earnings and all his expenses, and his budget doesn't balance. You make it balance.